boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar Party Alone with the song called Misremember. A strong song and a nice part of the lyric is truth, hate, love song, alright? So anyway, let's go into this nice, cool song, and it's very guitar friendly, this one. We have one string pattern that works, and we can really identify how it's done here in this song. And then we need to go over some chords. We're gonna do that without any capo, so it's clean on the fretboard. Let's go over the chords starting with F major 7. Okay, so that will be third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. We will also utilize the full F chord, that's a bar chord, so you play the index finger on the first fret where you cover all strings there. Then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. The next chord is A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the A minor slash B, and that is basically to have the A minor bass for it, but we also have the B notes up there that is working as a transition chord. So I go from A minor then to A minor B, and that will be to just keep the index finger on the first fret B string, and then you just move up to get the new bass notes like this. Okay, so that will be second on A, open D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so that is the A minor B chord. Then we have the C that comes right after A minor B, so that is still to keep that first fret B string there, so it's very convenient. And the rest is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be E minor. And that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so let's go into the first verse. It starts with F major 7, and one string around will be down, up, down, up. So one down, short pause, and then up, down, up. Okay, so that is one round. A couple of rounds of it will be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we have the verse now. We're gonna play the chord progression F major 7, 4 string rounds, then A minor 2 and E minor 2, and that's it. That is one round. You're gonna play for 4 rounds in the first verse. So let's do a couple rounds together. F major 4, A minor 2, E minor 2, like this. Okay, I played 2 rounds, so you're gonna double up 4 rounds of that, and that's the first verse. Over now to the chorus, okay? So now you're gonna play A minor 1, then the A minor B 1, then C 1, E minor 1, and F 4. Okay, so all that is one chord progression. So one of the following chords: A minor B, C, E minor, and then F4. You're gonna play these for 4 chord progression rounds. And on the 4th round, the final F there, you're just gonna play 1 down in the pause. And that pause marks the end of this chorus. Okay, so let's do a couple of rounds. We can actually do the 3rd and the 4th round, so we also get the 1 down on the F there. So imagine we jump in round 3, starting with A minor 1. And a pause. Okay, so that is the first round. And there's pretty much nothing new to the song. Now it's pretty much repetition. The second round here in the second verse is playing exact way as in the first one. 4 rounds of F major, 7, A minor, and E minor. And once you play that for 4 rounds, you're gonna go into the second chorus, and that is played also in the exact same way as the first one, no changes there. And then after the second chorus comes an instrumental parts. And there you're gonna continue with the chorus play for 2 more rounds, okay? And after that, you're gonna jump back into the third chorus, and again, no changes there. 4 rounds, and it ends with 1 down on F. So basically, from the second chorus and forward, you're gonna play the chorus repeatedly till the very end. That is basically it. So yeah, very straightforward song from Pardyalone, Misremember. Fits guitar very well, so give it a chance. Pretty easy chords as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then feel free to support me on Growing Guitar. I appreciate it a lot. So till next time, play tuned.